Hey, what's up you guys, TradeFX here, back with another video. It's been a very long time since I uploaded a video on YouTube, and yeah, today we're gonna do a breakdown of the gold trade that we had on which day was it? I think it was on a Friday. I think it was during NFP, I'm not really sure. So I just want to quickly check how long I haven't uploaded a video here on YouTube. 7 months. Is it 7 months? No, 2 months ago, actually. 2 months. 2 months ago. So this is just going to be a video discussing everything in detail regarding this trade, because in the Telegram group what I did post was just this video, this chart alone, just like this, indicating that I'm expecting a bullish move. If you are aware of how SNR works, then you would be you'd have a clear mind as to what's going on here, right? So fine. After posting this one, this is just what I wanted to share. I didn't want to give out my entry and stop loss and target areas. I then made this 100 pip trade setup here on the 1 minute chart, and then these are just the levels which I was watching. This is just the before. I was watching this open close, and I was also watching this open close right here, and then price traded towards this high of this candle, and then this is actually what ended up happening. So right now we're currently floating well over 100 pips. I think let me just quickly see so that we can be able to start with the breakdown. So 420 pips on gold. So yeah, let's start. Let's go to the charts and actually break down what led to that trade, right? So fine, the first thing that we need to be aware of, and I think I did make a breakdown, I did make an analysis somewhere here expecting price to trade lower, but we'll touch on that on later if ever we do remember that we wanted to touch on it. So anyway, gold, we had these highs right here, right? These highs took them out, and then we anticipated a bearish move because these are equal highs. Obviously there's liquidity above there with those who do use SMC, which is smart money concepts. So with me being me, I use SNR and also SMC, right? I used the first thing for the sell, I used this open close here, which is a sell, and then price traded back into here, and then I had my sells from here, right? Then price shot lower. My targets for the sell were at this monthly level, right? Pretty easy to understand. So right now what we are going to observe is where price is most likely going to go, right? Based on this reaction that we had here, price can possibly trade towards this open close, or trade towards this SNR level right here, or even trade towards this SNR level right here, right? These are just targets and also possible areas to sell from, right? These are just possible targets. So if we do go to the weekly, we have the monthly, reject the monthly. Weekly, we don't yet have a breakout. The current month has to close above here for it to be a breakout. But what we are going to observe, right? Since all just the monthly level, I'd want to see price trading towards this monthly level and then rejecting and closing below, so that we do not have a weekly breakout, so that we can have a continuation of the bearish move, right? Because we can clearly see that price is slightly looking bearish, to be honest, if you look at how the trend is right now, right? Because we have this high, we also have this high right here, right? So we're looking for possible bearish moves on gold, and we are obviously going to look at other things before actually deciding that, you know, this is the actual move that we're gonna observe, right? We are gonna look at some other things as well that we can couple our bias with. So fine, this is just me doing a rough markup of what I'm expecting on gold. So I'll answer the call later. So hold on, let me answer. Okay, so as you can see, the trend is still bearish, right? This is just the monthly zones right here. And then this is the weekly zone right here. So the reason for this buy actually was from a lower time frame, right? It was from a lower time frame, the reason for this buy. And we can also see that if we, let's see, no, this one is not clean, so we're not going to use it. Let's see the daily, because I was basically playing it based on what we got from the monthly time frame. So this, we have the daily level here, alongside just below the monthly level, right, where we have that's just the sell, buy. We got to retest. So I think, yeah, that's the open close right there. Open close right there. So price does not need to react immediately for us to actually start looking for buys, right? Price does not need to react immediately. And yeah, let's see. I want to see what actually, yeah. So on the 4 hour, I don't remember seeing any refinements alongside the daily. I don't remember seeing any areas for me to refine to. So unless maybe this one, but I'm not really sure. Yeah, this one was legit. This one was legit. So for our SNR level right there, let's just mark the low of that area so that we can know where our proper stop loss should have been. But ideally, I just like going for 20 to 30 pips, right? I just like going for 20 to 30 pips stop loss. So my anticipation on gold for this buy was that we are going to react to these areas right here, right? We're going to react to these areas right here, and then possibly get a buy. I honestly did not see the 4 hour level, just saw it right now. So once price reacted from this trend line, which it was within the monthly support area, I then went to the lower time frame, which was the M1, right? Because I wanted to see us getting a breakout on either time frame, either the 1 minute or whichever time frame that we were gonna get. So from here, this was when I made my analysis. I was like, the reaction that I'm getting from this 1 minute, although we do not have a breakout yet, but I just feel like it may possibly go higher from here, because I think from here it was reacting from that daily, was the daily level, yeah, I think it was reacting from the daily level. So that's why I wanted to actually start buying from here, from this open close right there, because this open closed formed after we traded below this low. We traded below this low and then got this engulfing. So I wanted to buy from here, somewhere around there, with a 20 pip stop loss. 20 to 30 pips actually, yeah. And then my targets were at 100 pips right there. And then price ended up shooting higher. So there's a lot of ways that you could have gotten a smaller stop and a better entry, but I'm just showing you how I did enter. So hopefully you just use this information to just give you a guide as to how you would approach gold while applying SNR, right? So it's just me showing you how I did enter gold. So in the meantime, if we were to go back here to the daily just before I'm done, daily, we have this open close right here, right? We have this open close. We just reacted from it. Then, yeah, if this open close fails to be respected, then we're gonna observe this one right here. Why? Because we can view this as a form of liquidity, and then this can be a run on liquidity right here. This can be a run on liquidity, a breakout, right? And then maybe we might go back into this area and then get a proper sell-off, right? That's just my views. It's not financial advice. So you just need to apply, you just need to take trades based on your own analysis, because at the end of the day, the risk is always going to be on your side when you are placing trades, because I may change my views based on certain things that I'm seeing and fail to update you guys. So just need to take trades based on the information that you know, based on your knowledge, and taking it based on my knowledge is just purely your own risk. So anyway, talk to you guys on another video. So not really sure when it's gonna be released, but I'll probably start being consistent with my uploads. So yeah, with that said, we'll talk to you soon. Peace. Love you, boys.